What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I am back with my number 2 recommended way to make money online simply using a smartphone or any smart device as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection. Alright, guys, I'm going to let you check out this video, this little short video. Check it out, and then we'll come back and go over a few things. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, I want you to go to the link in the description. Alright, www.earnwithpandora.com and check it out. Alright, let's talk about it. Let's go.
Welcome to Digital Wealth Pros. You are about to discover a real and honest way to generate an extra $200, $400, $800, and even up to $1,500 a sale multiple times a day with our proven and time-tested strategies, all without the grind of selling or talking to anyone at all. Rather, you are looking for a new opportunity, or you just need to make an extra income. Digital Wealth Pros can help you meet those goals, and meet them fast. This powerful system has nothing to do with MLM, or network marketing, or some cash gifting scheme. What DWP has put together here is literally a complete business-in-a-box opportunity. We have put together the tools to potentially make you thousands every week, and in some cases, per day. DWP is also the originators when it comes to true passive automated income. Digital Wealth Pros is a highly trained call center that is specifically trained to work on your behalf. These are trained callers that work tirelessly for you. You will never have to answer any questions. No selling. No talking to anyone if you choose to remain fully hands-off with DWP. This is what true passive automated income is all about. Imagine being handed all the tools for success, plugging into our done-for-you proven strategies, utilizing the company's highly trained call center team who speak with your prospects, answering all of their questions, and getting them registered. And then you get paid by your favorite method, such as Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, credit card, or it can be a good old check sent through overnight carrier right to your front door. Folks, this is true passive overnight income at its finest. Digital Wealth Pros give you a state-of-the-art tracking system and back office. For every lead that is going through the automated system and watching this very same video, you get instantly notified in real time. Even better, when your lead calls into our call center, you'll receive an alert letting you know that our team is working on a potential sale for you at that moment. This also allows our members to know their advertising is working and gives you a peace of mind that you are getting results. Digital Wealth Pros has made it so you will never have to feel around in the dark. Listen, I know you are looking for something, otherwise you wouldn't still be watching this video. If you are tired of the daily grind and just need some positive reinforcement in your life, DWP can help you achieve those goals. This amazing system can help you finally reach those bucket list goals you've been putting off, or just haven't had the time or the financial capability to accomplish. Digital Wealth Pros is helping many folks right now get back on track and putting more time freedom back to their lives. Are you ready to open the door to financial independence? Let's run some quick numbers, how the income works with DWP. Digital Wealth Pros has 4 levels within the opportunity. Our Bronze package pays you $200 on each and every sale that is made. Our Gold package pays you $400 on each and every sale that's closed. Our Platinum package pays you $800 on each and every sale that the call center closes for you. Our Diamond package pays you $1,500 on each and every sale that the call center closes for you. Just think how exciting it will be when you turn on this automated system and have multiple payments of $200, $400, $800, all the way up to $1,500 potentially filling up your bank account daily. Our compensation plan packages is by far the easiest to understand. You now have 4 choices between the Bronze package, Gold package, Platinum package, and our new Diamond package. The Bronze package costs a total of $297. $200 gets sent direct to the member, and $97 is the setup fee that's sent to the company. The Gold package costs a total of $497. $400 gets sent directly to the member, and $97 is the setup fee that's sent to the company. The Platinum package costs a total of $997. $800 gets sent directly to the member, and $197 is the setup fee that's sent to the company. The Diamond package costs a total of $1,997. $1,500 gets sent directly to the member, and $497 is the setup fee that's sent to the company. This is a direct sale program. You will never have to pass up sales to earn money here in DWP. This is not a reverse one-up or a one-up. You can rest assured all your sales are yours and only yours. There's no complicated multi-level structure that you have to worry about understanding. Bonus: when participating at the Gold package, you are automatically eligible to earn in both the Bronze and the Gold packages. When participating in our Platinum package, you are now eligible to earn in all the 3 packages. Now, with our brand new Diamond package, you get to enjoy all 4 packages when positioned in at our Diamond package. This is huge because you will have potential profits of $200, $400, $800, and even $1,500 paying you to infinity. This is the easiest income-generating system ever created. As I mentioned previously, DWP has a state-of-the-art call center with highly trained callers that work tirelessly on your behalf. You'll never have to pick up the phone or talk to a single lead. No answering questions, no explaining, no selling. We have literally removed all obstacles and roadblocks that could possibly be in your way. With only minimal work on your end, you can literally sit back and watch your business grow with DWP. Digital Wealth Pros was created by top marketers and programmers in this industry with over 32 years combined experience. I don't know about you, but I like being a part of a system that's time-tested and proven to work for the long haul right out of the gate. Are you ready to take advantage of this incredible opportunity and begin receiving daily payments of $200, $400, $800, up to $1,500 plus a sale with this amazing hands-free automated system? Let's quickly talk what Digital Wealth Pros has to offer and why this is such an extraordinary opportunity for everyone that gets involved. You get a 6 to 7 figure business in a box opportunity. This includes custom-built capture pages and autoresponders, which are also hands-free and work on autopilot for you right after you join. You get access to our highly trained live callers that work tirelessly on your behalf. They handle all inbound calls, questions, selling, and they sign up everyone for you. Think of them as your personal business assistant, except they do all the work, making this completely hands-free and automated for you. With Digital Wealth Pros, you will have your very own state-of-the-art back office with real-time tracking of your leads and sales. You will always be in tune with your business at all times with this amazing tracking system. You will also gain complete access to the company's Letter Shop Fulfillment Center. This is where you will be able to have the company's letter shop send out highly targeted postcards and letter placements, and it's all done for you passively. This will help take your business to the absolute next level. You also get rights to digital informational products that are actually very good. These are not old rehashed products that many companies out there are giving to their member base. So this brings me to my original question. Are you ready to take advantage of this incredible opportunity and begin receiving commissions that range from $200, $400, $800, up to $1,500 plus daily with this amazing hands-free automated system? Your next step is now to contact a live agent that will guide you through the very easy process of getting started. In fact, they are standing by to help you right now. Please note, when speaking with a live agent, you must have your sponsor identification code handy. They will need that to proceed with the call and to help you get started. Congratulations for making it to the end of this video. Now is the time for you to decide if you are ready to take control of your financial future. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for watching the presentation.
All right, guys, so if you're interested, and that sounds like something you're interested in getting started with a fully automated income system, go to the link in the description, earnwithpandora.com. This is a program that I have been an affiliate for since March of 2022. Yes. All right. So I only bring to you guys programs that I'm invested in, that I've actually made money with. And for me to have been promoting this program this long, absolutely it works if you work the program. Okay. I love that they have the call center. That's really one of the key things, because we all get busy. And if you can have a call center of people that's taking the calls for you, okay? People go to your website, they see a phone number, they have your ID, they call the call center, they answer all their questions, and the call center sets them up, okay? And it makes sure they are on board, and they send the payments to you, all right? Affiliate marketing, that is my thing. I'm heavy in affiliate marketing. This particular program right here is my number 2 recommended way to earn income online. All right, guys, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, again, go to the link. We would love to work with you. Call me if you have any questions, all right? But the call center is there to take those questions. If you've spoke to them, if you still have further questions, are you ready to get started? Just click the link. You can get started. It directs you directly on how to get started and make your payment. I love about this program and all my affiliate programs, you get paid any way you want. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, cash, credit card, crypto, however you want to get paid, you get paid. From $200, anywhere from $200 to $1,500 commissions. All right, my number 2 recommended way to make money online. Instant pay, no holding of payments, no middleman, paid directly to you. Go check it out. Link is in the description. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. All right, look forward to working with you guys. Before you get out of here, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, now make sure before you do, make sure you're on a page that looks like this, so you're on my page with my ID. Check it out. All right, you're going to see my ID 4428963. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you on the inside. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.